सुप्रभातं छात्राः। अद्य वयं सप्तमकक्षायाः प्रथमपाठं सुभाषितानि इति पाठस्य अभ्यासं सम्पादयामः। इतः पूर्वम् अस्माभिः पृथिव्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि इति सुभाषितात् आरभ्य क्षमावशीकृतिर्लोके क्षमया किं न साध्यते, शान्तिखड्गः करे यस्य किं करिष्यति दुर्जनः इति पर्यन्तं षट् सुभाषितानि पठितानि। षण्णामपि सुभाषितानां सारः सम्यक् अवगतः इति चिन्तयामि। भवन्तः सर्वेपि सम्यक् सुभाषितानाम् अर्थम् अवगतवन्तः इति चिन्तयामि। My dear boys, hoping that all of you by hearted all the 6 subhashitas from Prithvivyam Trini Ratnani to Kim Karishyati Durjanaha, like that. I hope all of you understood well and by hearted well. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the exercises of this lesson. First lesson's exercise Abhyasaham Yatha Yogyam Shlokamshan Melayata. Here you have to match the shlokas. That means these are all the jumbled one. To make you understand easy, I have matched them very well. Just like for example, Dhana Dhanya Prayogeshu Vidyaya Sangraheshu Cham. So Dhana Dhanya Prayogeshu matches very well with the Vidyayaha Sangraheshu Cha. This is the part of the shloka. Dhana Dhanya Prayogeshu Vidyaya Sangraheshu Cha Ahare Vyavahare Cha Tyakta Lajjaha Sukhi Bhavet. That is the shloka. Vismayo nahi kartavyo Bahuratna Vasundhara Satyena Dharyate Prithvi Satyena Tapate Ravihi Sadbhirvivadam Maitrincha Nasadbhihi kinchidacharet Ahare Vyavahare Cha Tyakta Lajjaha Sukhi Bhavet. So here 5 shlokas are given. We have matched them. This is what called Yatha Yogyam Shlokamshan Melayata. This is the match the following. In the exam also match the following will come. Let us go to the next exercise. Next one is Ekapadena Uttarata means answer in one word. Only one word you should answer. For example, first question is Prithvivyam Kati Ratnani. Prithvivyam on the earth. Kati, how many? Ratnani, gems. How many gems are there? There are plenty of gems. But according to the Subhashita, which are the 3 most important things? How many are there? There are only 3. The answer is Trini. These 3, they are Jalam, Annam, Subhashitam. These 3 are the most important Ratnani, gems. Second question, Mudhaihi Kutra Ratna Samgna Vidhiyate. Mudhaihi, by foolish people, Kutra, where? Ratna Samgna Vidhiyate. Where do the foolish people name them as the gems? What do they name gems? They name the pieces of the stones as gems. Kutra, where? Pashana Khandeshu Ratna Samgna Vidhiyate. Third question, Ga Prashnaha Prithvi Kena Dharyate. By what the earth holds? Earth holds us. How it holds? Prithvi Kena Dharyate Satyena. Because earth is very truthful. Earth is very truthful. not even for a minute it makes fun of us and I am leaving you. It always holds us. That is called gravitational pull. Then fourth question, gha prashnaha kaihi sangatim kurvita. Kaihi sangatim kurvita means with whom you should have the company. You should have company with whom? Who should be there in your company? Sadbhihi, always with the good people. Your company should be filled with good people. Sadbhihi, sajjanaihi, with the good people. Last question, Jna loke vashikritihi ka. Loke vashikritihi ka. Loke vashikritihi ka. That means who can control the world. In this world, loke, in the society, vashikritihi, who can control others. Who can control? One who is a leader can control? No. Who can control is one who has the nature of kshama, forgiving nature. One who has got the forgiving nature, he alone can control. That's why loke vashikritihi kshama vartate. Kshama. Anantara abhyasam patamaha. रेखांकित पदानि आश्रित्य प्रश्न निर्माणं कुरुता. So unfortunately all the lines are underlined. You should find which are the bold letters. Bold letters like Satyena, Sadbhihi, Vasundhara, Vidyayaha, Maitrim. So Rekankitani Padani Ashritya, depending upon the underlined or the bold words, frame the questions. How to frame the questions? There are shabdas that we study. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha, Lata Late Lataha, Phalam Phale Phalani, Pullinga Strilinga Napunsakalinga. To frame this, we have Kim Shabda. For Ramaha Ramau Ramaha, Kaha Kau Ke. For Lata Late Lataha, Ka Ke Kaha. Phalam Phale Phalani, Kim Ke Kani. Like that. And any place, you will say Kutra, Sthanam, Yatkimapi Sthanam Bhavatu, Bijapure, Golagummatam Asti, Kutra, Agra Nagare, Taj Mahal Asti, Kutra, Bengaluru Nagare Vidhana Saudham Asti, Kutra Vidhana Saudham Asti. Understood? Any place, Kutra. Any time, Prataha, Madhyane, Sayam, anything related to the time, Kada. Anything related to the number. There are 10 boys, there are 20 flowers, there are 50 fruits. Any numbers which count, Kati, Kati Phalani, Kati Chhatraha, Kati Pushpani. Like that, we have to see the word first. We should understand whether it is mentioning the place, then Kutra. If it is mentioning the time, Kada. If it is mentioning the numbers, Kati. And if it is mentioning the word like that Rama Shabda or Lata Shabda and Phala Shabda, then you have to find out Kim Shabda, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. We will practice it, and I will take one special class to teach you how to frame the questions in Sanskrit. In the 7th class, we are going to learn it. Satyena vati vayuhu. Satyena vati vayuhu. Satyena. Satyam satye satyani. Satyam satye satyani. Satyena. Tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Kim kekani. Kim kekani. Kena. Kena vati vayuhu. How to frame the question? Kena vati vayuhu. Next one, Sadbhihi eva sahasitam. Sat satau sataha satam satau sataha sata sadbhyam sadbhihi. Tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. कः कौके कं कौकान् केन काभ्यां कैहि कैहि एव सहासीत. The framing the question is कैहि एव सहासीत. वसुंधरा बहुरत्ना भवति. वसुंधरा आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग लता शब्दवत्. वसुंधरा का बहुरत्ना भवति. हु इज का बहुरत्ना भवति. विद्यायाः विद्यायाः संग्रहेषु त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. विद्यायाः संग्रहेषु त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. विद्यायाः षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनम्. कस्याः द क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग इज कस्याः संग्रहेषु त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. कस्याः संग्रहेषु त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. पुनः सद्भिः मैत्रीं नदीं नदी नद्यौ नद्यः नदीं द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचनं. सद्भिः मैत्रीं कुर्वीत. सद्भिः कां कुर्वीत. once again I will repeat. सत्येन वाति वायुः. केन वाति वायुः. सत्येन केन. सद्भिः एव सहासीत. सद्भिः एव सहासीत. कैः एव सहासीत. कैः एव सहासीत. सद्भिः कैः. वसुंधरा बहुरत्ना भवति. वसुंधरा बहुरत्ना भवति. का बहुरत्ना भवति. का वसुंधरा का. विद्यायाः संग्रहेषु त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. विद्यायाः संग्रहेषु त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. कस्याः कस्याः संग्रहेषु त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. विद्यायाः कस्याः. अंतिमं सद्भिः मैत्रीं कुर्वीत. सद्भिः मैत्रीं कुर्वीत. सद्भिः कां कुर्वीत. सद्भिः कां कुर्वीत. मैत्रीं कां. पुनरेकवारं वदामि. सत्येन केन. सद्भिः कैः. वसुंधरा कां. विद्यायाः कस्याः. मैत्रीं कां. I hope it is clear to all. Shall we move to the next slide? Yes. So before moving to the next slide, I would like to clarify it once again. Satyena vati vayuhu kena vati vayuhu. That means by truth the wind will blow. By what the wind blows is the framing the question. Sadvihi eva sahasita. With good people only you should sit. Kaihi eva sahasita. With whom you should sit. Third one, Vasundhara Bahuratna Bhavati. Earth has many gems. Then Ka Bahuratna Bhavati. Who has got many gems? Vidyayah Sangraheshu Tyaktalajjaha Sukhi Bhavet. While collecting the knowledge, one who is shameless, he will be happy. That means when you are acquiring the knowledge, if you are shameless, you can acquire more. Whose collection? In whose collection shameless person will be happy. Sadvihi maitrim kurvita. With good people you should have the friendship. With good people what you should have? Sadvihi calm kurvita. Maitri means calm. That is calm. Is it clear? So next exercise we will see in the next class. Sarve uttishtantu. Saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini vidyarambham karishyami siddhirbhavatu me sada. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.